All right, so on this video, I'm gonna talk about why you should regularly clean the air ducts in your home. This is a huge topic. A lot of homeowners don't know this and they don't do it often enough. And it's very crucial to the health of your home and your families. I'm gonna dive into the details, give you some statistics and some research. The way I think about it is the air ducts are the lungs of your home. So it circulates air from the heating and cooling system into each room. But just like lungs, they can get clogged. So over time, dust, pet dander, other pollutants can accumulate, affecting the air quality in your home. Cleaning your air ducts significantly improves the air quality in your home. There was a recent study that shows the air quality in your home is often way more polluted than outdoors. Here are the benefits of cleaning your air ducts regularly. For one, it improves the air quality in your home. There's no doubt about that. And that's crucial for anybody who has allergies or just wants to live in a healthy environment. It increases energy efficiency. So if your ducts are clogged, that means your furnace is working that much harder, using that much more energy, costing you more money. It extends the HVAC lifespan. So again, if your furnace is overworking itself, it's gonna burn out a lot faster. So keeping it clean helps extend the life of your furnace. And lastly, it can help reduce odors in your home. So whenever you turn on your AC unit and you smell like mildew, clearly there's something going on in the air ducts that's causing that smell. So clean that out. It could reduce the odors. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Furthermore, the National Air Duct Cleaners Association recommends cleaning your air ducts every 3 to 5 years to prevent air quality issues. Studies have shown that clean air ducts can reduce energy consumption by 20 to 30%, making this a smart move for both your health and your wallet. When to clean your air ducts. So knowing when to clean is key. I always look out for signs of mold and mildew. Check around the vents, inside the ducts if you can, but there should be some signs or smells that it could be time to clean. Or if you've done a recent renovation in your home or it's a new build, absolutely get your air ducts professionally cleaned out. Now, a lot of people say they can do this themselves with a leaf blower or one of those brushes you can get on Amazon. I always say hire a professional, make sure it's done correctly, make sure that they show you video and pictures of the work they're doing just to make sure they get everything out of those vents. Moral of the story is make sure you're maintaining your HVAC and your air ducts. Make sure they're always cleaned. I try to do it every year just to check on it. You can do it every 3 to 5 years. Just make sure you're getting it professionally cleaned. It'll visibly help the smell, the air quality in your home, and your health. If you found this video helpful, click share, like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll give you more homeowner tips, insights, and hacks.